This is to tell you about the CRM, or the Customer Relationship Management System. A CRM is built for uh, to handle your patients or your clients. Um, Usually, we have software that handles our patients and clients, but it does not handle all communication with them, and it doesn't tell us exactly where this patient is within the whole sales process. So it has a lot of deficits. We communicate with patients, but we don't have one place to see all the communication with one patient. So there are a whole lot of things that it doesn't actually do. So here, if this system is managed properly, you can actually see how much of sales, the pipeline value of the sales, the conversion rate, and you can see different graphs over here that tells you how many people and what amount of money is under new leads, hot leads, etc. And here is also where they came in. So it gives you a breakdown of where you're getting your leads from, your money from rather. And it also pulls in your Facebook ad stats, and it also pulls in your Google My Business stats if you have these platforms. Here you can also handle all communication with patients between if they have emailed you, or if they have SMSed you, or if they have even communicated with you on Facebook and Instagram, etc. Here is the online calendar, so you can have your diary on here, and you can see how many patients you have, and you can book your patients online. You can manage all of your contacts. You can upload your existing database in here, so you can send bulk emails and bulk SMSs to your patients, or you can even send to certain patients that you can specify which ones you want to send them to. Here under opportunities, I did show you about the different pipelines that you can have. Well, this is one of them, the lead an appointment, so you can see exactly where the patient is in the sales process. And marketing is, we can have templates of with your details and link to your social media account, so you can have proper email templates and very nice letters that go through. And we also link this platform to Google My Business, to your Facebook page, Instagram page, and your LinkedIn account. These are all integrations that we can have in here, and you can actually schedule posts from here onto those social media platforms. So it's one place where you can schedule one post on all platforms at one time, and if you open the planner, you can see what is planned, the posts that are scheduled for the month as well. So that's under marketing. And then we build your site on this platform as well. And in this, we have appointment books, we have global funnels, which include the privacy policy, your patient information forms, etc. is built here. Reputation is also another thing where you can actually see how many reviews were sent, and how many positive reviews you had, negative reviews, what's your Google reviews, ratings, etc. And there's also various reporting options. So this is an overview of the various things that you can do on this dashboard on a very high level, because it's actually very, very much more that you can do, and you can see stats on what exactly is happening in your business.